what was Ranveer Singh like before? Is he still the same? Was he still the same? What do you know about him?
I know Ranveer very different. I did a pose with him, and after a few years, he did the same pose, like same, with Vani Kapoor. So I've seen him very, like, nervous, and he said, Sonali, actually it's my first shoot. आज मुझे किसी ने बहुत interesting चीज पूछी. I think Dhurandhar is a big hit.
Yeah, it is.
So this journalist, she did my Google search, so she found my pictures with Ranveer.
Ranveer,
Okay,
yeah, because you've done a shoot
Very
with him.
hot
shoot with him.
Yes.
I was going to bring that up, by the way.
And उसमें funny part क्या हुआ? I did a pose with him, and after few years, he did the same pose, like same, with Vani Kapoor.
Oh, wow! Nobody knows.
And that journalist, उसने बोला take the pictures and show it on the camera. She wanted to cover that somehow.
और वो actual same है? Did you see it?
Yeah.
Oh my
I
god!
took the screenshot.
Wow.
So that's me. Okay. Me.
Yeah, this was.
And he did the same thing.
Oh my god! Oh my god! This
I
is
think
crazy.
He's in love with this pose.
He's in love with the pose. That's true. Actually, मैं आपको पूछने ही वाली थी because you did this photo shoot with Ranveer Singh before he became the Ranveer Singh, right?
Yes.
So what was Ranveer Singh like before? Is he still the same? Was he still the same? What do you know about him?
I know Ranveer very different. That's what I don't know. I see them like मेरा before after हो जाता है.
Okay, what was that Ranveer like?
Okay, Ranveer that time was very sweet, very friendly, very nice. He was not like, full of energy. No. Actually, he was very shy because it was again a bikini shoot. It was very bold.
Yeah.
It was glamorous. And he said, this is my first shoot like that, like very, glamorous one. And with a girl who's wearing a bikini.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he was so cautious. He was, chewing gum. He was wearing perfume. He was just making.
Oh my god! And you were chill.
I was chill, and even the photographer is like, Sonali, don't make him conscious, don't, because you are like, okay, but he's little nervous, so please make him comfortable.
Oh my god! And now when we see Dhurandhar, कौन बोलेगा कि वो nervous भी हो सकते हैं? कौन बोलेगा?
So that, like, Ranveer was very sweet, and what I know Ranveer, like the energy and full of energy and like too much energy.
Yeah.
No, I've seen him very like nervous, and he said, Sonali, actually it's my first shoot, and I'm wearing clothes. He's saying.
Because you're not wearing clothes.
And I said, you are wearing clothes. Yeah. What are you nervous
about? Oh my god, I'm the one who's wearing a bikini.
Yes. And then he repeated this pose.
With Vani Kapoor, which we just saw. Oh my god.
Isn't that cool? I think
it is very cool.
I think next time he should do it with Deepika.
Again, the same pose. Yeah, it's carry forward from Sonali to Vani to Deepika.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, crazy.
I think you should ask this to Ranveer.
Yeah.
Okay, what is this thing with the pose?
Why are you repeating this pose? He was like, मैं तब शायद nervous था वो cover पे अभी bold लगूंगा अभी नहीं डरूंगा मैं.
I don't know. लग रहे हो bold? अरे.
Oh my goodness. And show me your photo. Show me yours with that one.
I think he's confident here.
Yeah, he's looking more ladies versus Rishi here than in that picture. It was a very hot picture, no doubt about it.